Well, this is a chair of Astrophysics and Space Physics. The main objectives is the study of high energy phenomena in the universe, much of this related to black holes and neutron stars. Mostly theoretical. Some of my postdocs are working more on observations, but I myself and most of my students are doing theoretical investigations to study radiation and acceleration of very high energy particles.
So since a young age I've been interested in mathematics, computer science and the nature of things, why things work the way they do. And also in nature you see wonderful order, harmony and vast and interesting things out there.
The overarching goal and the biggest challenge that we're after is to figure out how and where in the universe nature manages to accelerate particles 1 billion times better than anything that we can do with accelerators that humans have built. This happens somewhere in the universe. We see its signatures from radiation, from gamma rays. We're now entering an exciting new era of multi-messenger astronomy where we're not only seeing radiation like light and gamma rays, but also neutrinos, and we're beginning to see gravitational waves. This all hints to the sources of where nature manages to do that, but ultimately understanding how this happens and if there's a possibility for us to actually learn something for technical innovations from that, that is the overarching goal that we're after.
So the chair has had a big economic impact and socio-economic impact on the country. We have been able to attract students from all walks of life and teach them all kinds of wonderful and transferable skills that they can use not only to do science, but to also use in industry and in teaching environments. And that has had a huge impact to be able to expose them to opportunities overseas and to interact with world leaders in the field.
I joined NWU CSR because of, first thing, a lot of nice expertise in his group, and second thing, a lot of other facilities in South Africa like SAO and HES. So I'm really, this is my major motivation to join CSR here.
So when I got to my undergrad, then I actually realized that there's a difference between astrophysics and astronomy. So as I was looking for my supervisor for my master's year, I spoke to Prof. Marcus, and I thought that he was a very insightful person.
I think it was when I watched YouTube videos of HES and of telescopes and basically collaborative research and how they work together all around the world to do science, and basically having each other's back. When you run into a problem, you always have someone experienced and qualified to help you out, and that made me excited to be part of a group.
So when I started searching for PhD supervisor, I found Professor Marcus Buscher. He's a more suitable supervisor for me. And also I look at the institute website. I found Northwest University, one of the good institutes regarding to the facilities and what available for me as a PhD student.
So my chair is in fact almost coming to an end in just a few years, in 3 years. But it's important that we continue being involved in the world's largest gamma ray observatory that we have. That's HES, the High Energy Stereoscopic System, is in Namibia, just a bit west of Windhoek in Namibia. It's the world's largest ground-based gamma ray observatory that exists. We are also involved in the next generation gamma ray observatory that's called the CTA, the Cherenkov Telescope Array, that will be built on La Palma, Spain and in Chile, but it's still going to be at least until 2024 to 25 until that is operational. So it's very important for us to continue to take advantage of the opportunities that we have here with HES and at other wavelengths, with the SKA coming up, NEARCAT existing now, and with SARChI, the world's largest or the largest optical telescope in the Southern Hemisphere.